Let's be honest, we spent way too much time hunting through the setup menu. Between configuring new features, maintaining security, and answering the countless "why can't I see this" emails, you've been asked to do more than ever before. You've told us at True to the Core that setup takes way too many clicks to get things done. Well, we've heard you. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce, and welcome to Setup with Agentforce. This is a special limited series where we're going to show you your new admin superpower. We're moving away from a world where you have to hunt for settings to a world where setup comes directly to you through natural language conversation. So, what exactly is Setup with Agentforce? It's a conversational interface that lives right inside your setup home, that lets you configure, troubleshoot, and optimize Salesforce through natural language. So you can accelerate those common admin config tasks, streamlining 40% of your top admin tasks, from data modeling and complex formulas to user identity and permissions. You also get in-context help and navigation, so you can find exactly what you need across all the setup pages and all help and training articles. We're giving you a redesigned setup home with an utterance box, a collapsible left nav, and dedicated tabs for setup. And lastly, we're providing you with proactive insights with Org Health, giving you security, limit, and license usage to surface tasks before they become issues. So instead of clicking through setup pages to find what you're looking for, you can now use natural language to ask questions and make requests. Just type what you need in the new prompt bar. So want to see if a user has access to an object? Ask an agent. Need to create a new custom field? Describe it to an agent. Setup with Agentforce is designed to handle those repetitive, everyday tasks, giving you recommendations based on admin best practices and pulling in help and training content right when you need it. So this video is your introduction to Setup with Agentforce. Keep watching to learn how to get access and what more you can do. Up next, how to turn this feature on, whether you're using an Agentforce org, a personal DE org, or an org with Salesforce foundations. And then, use these core use cases to get started. Org Health, User Access Management, Flow Management, Formula Management, and Object Creation. Setup with Agentforce will reduce your clicks and boost your productivity, so that you can focus on being the strategic leader your org needs to become an agentic enterprise. Are you ready to stop searching and start conversing? Keep watching.